The Great Railway Show, of course.
The Great Railway Show's not here. It's happening on the mainland. This is the island of Sodor.
The island of... Oops.
Now, everybody back on the ship.
Back up! Back up!
I'm coming. Please wait.
The Great Railway Show? Are you really all going to the...
Get out of the way! Why don't you look where you're going, shrimp?
I'm not the one going backwards. Well, why don't you take me with you? It looks like there's room for one more.
Is somebody missing?
Oh, no! Help!
Stop pulling!
What is it with all you railway show engines? Charging about like you own the tracks? What makes you so special anyway? Do you think you're better than all the other engines just because...
I'm very sorry. I truly never meant to bump into you. I simply didn't realize you were behind me.
Thank you for rescuing me. My name's Thomas. What's yours?
Salty!
Don't be silly, Thomas. She can't be called Salty. That's my name.
My name is Ashima.
Well, I mean... So, I can't stand around here all day.
Thomas! Whoa!
Some of us have a railway to run.